This is part 3 of the chemical analysis topic. It's GCSE AQA chemistry, and it's a dual and triple award topic. So I'm going to recommend you have a go at the activities, pausing as you go, and then review. In this video, we're going to look at some simple gas tests, all of which, depending on where you are within your course, will be familiar to you. You are going to need to remember the tests for hydrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and chlorine. In terms of what you need to remember, it's what steps you take to carry out the test and what you would observe if that gas is present. So with that in mind, have a think about each of those tests: hydrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and chlorine. And when you're ready, move on and we'll take a look at the results. So we're going to go through each of them in turn. Many of these you'll have been aware of for many, many years. Chlorine, if you have discussed the electrolysis topic yet, you will be aware of. The rest of them will be from lower down the school. So hydrogen, we are going to insert a lit splint. And if we insert a lit splint and hydrogen is present, it will explode with a squeaky pop. Now, the detail here is important. There is often a temptation to just write this down as a two-word answer, squeaky pop. It's not enough. Moving on to oxygen, what do we do here? Well, it's a slightly different practical that we carry out, a different procedure. This time we insert a glowing splint. So we burn it and then we blow it out so it's simply glowing. If oxygen is present, the glowing spill will relight. And a place that you may have seen that is if you have seen the elephant's toothpaste practical, where we can prove that oxygen has been produced in the soapy bubbles by inserting a glowing spill and it relights. Carbon dioxide, really important one. Carbon dioxide, we would bubble through lime water, and if carbon dioxide were present, the lime water would turn cloudy. And finally, and taking us to the end of this very short video, the test for chlorine. Very specific. You do need to remember it, just as you need to remember all of the others as well. To test for chlorine, you would add damp litmus paper. Now, this is often done when we do electrolysis of brine in the electrolysis topic. What happens to it? Chlorine will bleach damp litmus paper. When we say it will bleach, we mean that the litmus paper turns white. All of the colour is bleached out of it. That takes us to the end of this video. Thank you for listening and goodbye.